Okay, I'm back. Just had to cut off the note. Oh god, just check that full screen mode. I just got. What? Help, I'm getting. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. I'm going to pause the recording.
Scheduled to arrive within the reach of the station's robotic arm by 5:56 a.m. But the actual capture is scheduled for 6:14 after the team here on the ground has had time to do one more assessment and give the crew a go or no go for actually grabbing onto it. Again, capture is scheduled to take place at 6:14 p.m. Central Time.
So yeah, at 6:14 p.m. Central Time, this thing's going to be docking with. You guys will be seeing it after that because that's when I'll be uploading it. I will get video of the launch of the Cygnus. Oh yeah, and I just realized you guys might be hearing what's actually being said because I have it on microphone. I mean, I have the speakers set up, so I don't know, it might be. I don't know. I did not realize that. So yeah, Dragon inbound. Nothing much happening right now. So we did miss out on a bit because my computer froze. I just exited out of Firefox because that's what I use, and then get back on. Now so that come back on and just continue recording. So no need to restart. I just paused the recording. That's something new. I've never really done that before, so. And you guys should check out my Orion to the Moon, like kind of Orion Proton, Orion Soyuz or something. I need to work on something, a way of putting on solar panels without them exploding. And landing legs, but yeah, I think that was the first. That, I think it's something you haven't seen before, just like, I run out of fuel. Sorry, so if you haven't watched the video, go ahead and watch it. So yeah, I get a Proton, strap an Orion on top, and a few landing legs, which later on I find out are upside down. And then go ahead and try to get myself a moon intercept. What happens? Obviously, run out of fuel. But I did not give up.
Just a couple meters left to go now until Dragon reaches the 30-meter hold point.
So yeah, it's just a couple of seconds before the Dragon reaches the 30-meter hold point. So yeah, I got the Orion on. I ran out of fuel on the way to the moon intercept, but no, like while performing the moon intercept burn. But I did not give up. Oh well, that's how close the Dragon is. Wow. So yeah, I did not give up. I used the RCS to burn the rest of the way. Got us a moon encounter. And we had a moon flyby, but I need to figure out a way to do this. Like, do it without having to worry about so-and-so. Having to worry about running out of fuel. So what I'm planning on doing is getting one more stage. I just froze. And then attaching it to the Proton. And then just burn. Just get it into orbit and do the moon intercept and hopefully land on the moon. And then I'll probably use the same spacecraft to get to Minus. I think I heard something there.
Houston Space Ground 2, we're in VV mode of hold, range about 29.4 primary, 29.3 secondary. Everything looks... Houston Space Ground 2, we're in VV mode of hold, range about 29.4 primary, 29.3 secondary. Everything looks good. The vehicle size relative to the corridors, and the strobe is just on the corridors, and the strobe is just on the edge of the strobe tracker.
Okay, so it's about to dock. They're about to get to go or no go.
Copy that, Rick. Stand by just a second.
Flight Engineer Rick Mastracchio reporting and confirming for the ground that the Dragon is at the 30 meter point. Again, that's where it holds. And now that it's there, just giving another update on what they're seeing on the view that you see here. This is what the crew is looking at inside the cupola at the robotic workstation. Just verifying that the displays are all as expected, with the vehicle the right size within the display and the strobe light showing up within the green circle.
Dragon is holding at 30 meters. You are cleared to perform 1.102 step 4.
Okay, understand. 1.102 step 4 and work.
Said they can get closer, apparently, I think. I'm not sure. So yeah, that's just Dragon on its approach. I don't know, but can you? But I can just barely make out solar panels.
Again, now that the Dragon is at this 30 meter point, it'll hang out here for a while and wait for sunrise while the teams here on the ground do another assessment and make sure everything is as expected before they send it or give it the go to move within 30 meters and get in range of the station's robotic arm for its capture.
So yeah, it's going to hang out here for a while before sunrise.
Scheduled to move ahead if everything looks good at 5:39 a.m.
So
Sunrise coming at 5:41.
Okay, so 5:14.
And it should be within range of capture at 5:56 a.m. Central Time.
Wow. We've got quite a while to wait then. If I'm, oh no, it's Central Time, so I don't know about Central Time. So we've got to wait a while for docking. I think the next few videos will just be watching the Dragon, because I know that this is going to be long. Yeah, but I'm keeping everything because like something might happen that is unexpected. I wouldn't be prepared.
Station and Dragon are currently 260 miles above the North Pacific Ocean, just south of Hawaii, and heading south towards the tip of Chile.
Okay, so the ISS is now heading for the tip of Chile. So any viewers over in Chile? Oh no. You might have just seen the ISS. Might have, I mean. None of you might have seen a docking without you even knowing. So yeah, I'll continue the KSP career. But for right now, I need to work on the Orion Soyuz proton thing. For example, to rotate the whatchamacallit, landing legs. So basically that's all I need to really work on, and the more fuel. Or I can just do the intercepting and slow down with RCS. And use the fuel for the landing to get back up, but I will do a test flight of that, but I'm going to have no crew. I'm going to have no crew on board. I'm just going to have a mech jib unit controlling it, so we don't lose anyone, basically. And anyway, and oh yeah, I also need to add science experiments. So this one we'll just see, can we get it into orbit? And if we have time and we're able to, we will dock to it. When we send up the next part, we'll do a docking. So we can grab that thing's data and then bring it back to Kerbin. Or we could just, I think what we might do is grab a Kerbinaut but I think